Okay guys, so big shout out to the, that's me. Do we have that on camera? My bag just beeped. So there was another like hidden tag. And welcome back to my channel. So we are in Bicester Village, just on the way there now, and it's a beautiful day. I think it's the last really sunny summer days, 26 degrees, even though it's September already. So today what are we gonna do? We're gonna see everything they have available in Bicester Village today. Obviously you guys know I'm always looking forward to Gucci the most. Why are we here today? You know, I'm looking for inspiration. I feel like I've found my inspiration again. I currently have 3 bags that I'm eyeing. If you want to guess, some of you might know what bags I'm currently eyeing and which one I might buy next, please let me know in the comment section down below, because you guys always know me so well. And so I just want to make sure that there's nothing else that I really want. So I thought, okay, you know, we already been to Harrods, let's go to Vista as well. If I don't fall in love with anything, I'm gonna get one of the 3 bags. Okay, I would say let's try and get into Gucci first, and let's see what this beautiful day brings. Might need a coffee and a crepe with Nutella later. So first of all, Gucci. Let's see what's in the window display and then let's go in. So I think these bags are specifically made for the outlet. I'm not 100% sure. I think so. And where's the interesting stuff? There we have a nice little Gucci tote. Nice little bag. Wow guys, the Gucci Raja tote in brown suede. I actually always wanted to have this exact bag. When it first came out, I actually see a lot of people in London carrying this. Let me try and focus. Can we see the crystal embellished tiger head there? Other totes, other little outlets, but ooh, sparkles. But yeah, let's try this one on. Another nice little summer bag. With the classic Gucci horsebit logo sign. Oh, more crystal shoes. Okay, I would say let's go in. So just coming in, look at all of these gorgeous bags. I think this was the garden collection, wasn't it? And this is a beautiful Sylvie bag. Let's try them on later as well. And nice. And guys, I really like this necklace as well. Okay, are we ready for Gucci? So I just came in and this one immediately caught my eye. This is quite a nice little bag, isn't it? I love how summery it is. I think I've actually never seen this one in the boutique, but I don't think this was made for the outlet. It's really, really nice. I think they got the Dionysus bag in this as well. I'll show you in a second what they have. So just a quick little overview what they have. I love this one as well. Ooh, little Gucci cherry bags. Oh guys, they have the Mickey Mouse. Oh, how cute is that? That's Jeffree Star's bag. I think they're like 3,000, 4,000 pounds. And this one's quite cute as well. Look at this. So oh, this is what I mean. This is the Dionysus bag. And they have so many nice clothes. Maybe I should try this pattern on. I really like this pattern. Let's see how much. So it's 2,200 still. I think that's a normal price for Dionysus, to be honest. I don't think that's like a discount bag. These shoes, just in this amazing pattern as well, Gucci. They are only £210, from 600 down to 200. They have it in like a lighter version as well. And the lighter version, same price, £200 for Gucci shoes, guys. God, I just found my dream dress. What is this? Can you see this beautiful rainbow skirt? Oh, I think I want to try this on, honestly. Oh, okay. Still £4,000 from 13,000. This amazing dress. Can we see the details? You won't believe it. This is down from, let me see, from 5,300 to £530. I'm just about to try on the beautiful dresses we just spotted, and she brought me 2 pairs of shoes because I said like I need a high heel obviously to try those dresses on. So let's see these ones. Like my size is 38. Oh, it doesn't say the price. It doesn't say the price here maybe. Oh, £280 for such a classic looking sleek pair of Gucci shoes. That's amazing. And then we have these sequins dreams. I don't know, like I'm not the biggest fan of sequins, but it's very Gucci, right? And this one is, there's no price, the Gucci dream. So this is actually a size 36, guys, and I fit into a Gucci size 36. I would have not thought so, because obviously Italian sizes are usually, you know, pretty small. So wow, if I was ever invited to a Gucci fashion show, this is how I would walk in there. It's obviously very Gucci. Is it worth £5,000? But I love it because it's so rainbowy. Hello, I feel like a mermaid, you know, with her little tail. Wow, okay. What is this? And look at this. That is gorgeous. Very like, oh, just coming from Rome. Oh, I love this one. Hello. Let's see. Do we like it? Is it too much? I mean, it's a bit over the top, right? These shoes, guys, it's like Gucci Ugg boots, 325. I'm in black as well, black leather. Oh, even cheaper. I love these glittery shoes. How much are they? 400. Yeah, okay guys, so a really nice little Sylvie bag. Oh, I mean, I really like the all leather, can't speak anymore, haven't had my coffee yet. The all leather versions, but this one is quite nice as well. What do we think? Always let me know. They have it in green as well. Look at these, guys. Wow, that is so my color. And the best thing is you can find real treasures here. From 1,200, 90% off to £120. This is really nice. I love the flowers. This is so me. This is in the men's section, guys. I really don't know why. This is a nice little travel bag. Everyday bag. Fits a laptop. I really like it. It's gorgeous. What does it say? Gucci souvenir. Okay, that's actually quite cute. It's like a little surprise. Very sophisticated and fancy from the front, and then you got a little comic book character there on the back. This is the nicest thing I've seen so far. Really tempted. This one is the last one as well that they have, and it has a shoulder strap. I mean, it's a bit weird that it's attached at the back, because if you fill it up, it would hang over. But I just, oh, I'm such a sucker for flowers. So that one was 1,700 down from 2,900. Look at this one with little flowers as well. I just love everything with flowers. The bee bag. Always love the Gucci bee. Here we can see the price as well. 1,300 down from 1,900. Do we like it? It's a bit childish, right? Cute, however. I really like Dionysus bags. I wish they would make more of them with gold hardware. Like 90% of them have silver hardware. Little character code again. Doremon, Doremi, something like that. They have a lot of stuff with them. And here she is, guys. This is still the nicest bag, right? And the most practical, most useful one. Oh my god, I can't believe how much good footage we got today. I love this. Let's check the price, because I really like the flower to it as well, but I mean, it's quite chunky. This one is perfect. Lies on your body very flat. Also fits a laptop. Just checking this one. Can you see there's a tiny little crystal missing? That is the issue, guys. Let's see if we find one that's perfect. But the suede is so beautiful. Okay, guys, they're just checking if they have another one. The issue is the other one. The suede looks horrible, guys, so I would not consider that one. They have none other than those two, and this one actually has two crystals missing. There and there. I mean, it's nothing you couldn't fix. I don't know, he's just asking if Gucci can fix it, or if they only fix boutique pieces, or, you know, because this is an outlet one now. I could obviously fix that myself, right? I just met the loveliest woman, had a little chat about bags, and they actually got this specialist in today who fixes bags, and they might have the crystals, might be able to fix it. That would be lucky. Waiting, guys, let's have another look. What's on display? Lots of Maman bags. And look at this one. I just convinced another woman to get the other Raja suede tote. She saw it on me, she loved it, and now she's getting it too. More bags, guys. And I just spotted they actually have the Gucci's answer to the Alma bag as well. It's a timeless piece you can't go wrong with. Oh, they even have it in black as well. They even have the classic camera bags. This, guys, they even have the Raja clutch here. It's definitely a statement piece. Oh, and look at these earrings, guys. How heavy they must be, right? Because they are gigantic. Like, this is my hand. But gorgeous. And then we have little brooches. Some more jewellery eye candy. I like these. This one's quite cool and interesting as well. And lots of bling bling, guys. And guys, I thought let's try on some sunglasses. I've once seen this exact pair on Trisha Paytas. I always really liked it, and now they have it here. Wow, they're down to 175 from 490. But do I want to queue up again now? Hello. These might be perfect for carnival season. They are 300 down from 900. Lots of bling. Let's go. Okay guys, so big shout out to the, that's me. Do we have that on camera? My bag just beeped. So there was another like hidden tag, because actually the bag comes with a clochette. So I have to show you that with another pochette. Sorry. I will show you. That was very successful already at Gucci. Yeah, I would say let's keep walking. So what I wanted to say, big shout out to the Gucci team here in Bicester Village. The nicest people. They fixed the bags. They were so nice. They kept me updated every 10 minutes. They were apologizing that I had to wait, and I mean, I was just happy, you know, that they were able to fix it. Nonetheless, nicest people, loveliest people. This experience was good. And to be honest, guys, I think because I currently find all the Gucci pieces quite boring, it's more exciting to actually go shopping in an outlet, in a Gucci outlet, because you have the old Alessandro Michele pieces. Big thumbs up. There's actually a digital queue at Dior, unfortunately, so I don't know if we will be able to get in, but I thought I can show you oh, that is a dragon. I have not seen this type of book tote before, have you? It's a vertical one as well. Let's see what other stuff we have there. It's a tiny Dior boutique in Vista, so they don't have too much, but you know, it would always be nice to see what they have actually. Can we see that? You know, we've probably seen most of it, to be honest, now. So yeah, other stuff we see in the window display. So yeah, the digital queue is closed as well, so that's all I can show you now. There we have some men's trainers and hello, sunglasses. Oh, touch-shell sunglasses, love them. And there we have a beautiful necklace. Hi. We have a quick look at Balmain Paris. Nice shoes. Okay, this is nice. I love the antique gold hardware. That is quite gorgeous. This mirror right here. This is the size of the bag. Do we like it? Huge tote. That is massive. Oh, I love this. Balmain blazer. Beautiful tweed. Little towel bag. Feels like a towel. Looks a little bit like a towel. It is nice. Very sleek and clean looking. Yeah, that's nice as well. I definitely really like their hardware. Look at this, guys. They have little Steif plushies here. Oh, I loved Steif. It's a German brand. They make such nice soft toys. So when I was a kid, I had such a big collection. Guys, I was always a collector. Look at this. So Celine, I can tell you, we probably don't have to go in. This is all they got. There's nothing exciting there. Okay guys, so that was it for part 1. We will have part 2 for sure on Friday. And who knows, if we get a lot of footage, we might even have part 3 for next week. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I mean, that was already very successful. Let's see what other stuff we're gonna pick up today. And I need a crepe. I need a crepe now. Oh, by the way, I think I haven't shown you yet. Got like nice little fake nails, and guys, I don't know how people live with them. I can't. It's so unpractical, and these are even not too long. Looks good, but I can't deal with it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. We got something to unbox. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. And I see you again very, very soon. Bye!